Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram story effect or folder to our photo from camera roll. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone. And first of all, I'm going to open my Instagram camera so we can swipe right our screen like this. And we can click on this option to select a photo from our camera roll. And for instance, I'm going to pick random photo from my gallery. I'm just going to upload this photo to my Instagram. Then if you want to apply filter to your photo, you can swipe your screen like this to find the suitable folder for your photo. Then if you want to apply effect, you can tap on this icon. Then you can select an effect that you want to use for your Instagram story. And for example, I'm just going to choose this one. Then we can click on done. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply filter or effect to our photo from camera roll. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.